All right, this Elite Cuts Lawn Care. And how everybody doing today? It's been a hell of a day. Pretty chilly, I should say. Tomorrow, today it's 44 with pretty much no sun, so that's a cold day. Tomorrow's supposed to be 57 with a little sun, so we'll get a little thing. We'll get a little, I should say, it should be okay weather-wise. We had the worst 63-degree day. It was 63 degrees and cold. It was different for me. Basically, this season is still dragging on because this weather is up and down, up and down. See, wind blowing right now. Yeah, weather's up and down. So one thing these leaf jobs do, they tear a mower. The mower blades, they break them down quick. So I'm about to get ready for tomorrow's. Got a few leaf jobs going on. I'm gonna just get ready for them. Hold on, let me clean the camera. Yeah, they got a few more jobs going on. So I mean, not more jobs, but leaf jobs. So I'm just going to get everything pretty much a-okay and get these blades sharpened. I know I haven't did a blade sharpening video, but it may be coming this video, may not be. We shall see. All right. But yeah, like I said, it's cold out here today, people. I'm not prepared. So I gotta make this as quick as possible. I usually sharpen my blades outside, but not today. So I'm gonna have to do some cleanup behind them because that metal dust leave a residue over everything. Okay, we're gonna push this that way. You haven't been in here in a few days. On 1 second. I'll cut blades off. So I'm gonna also do my my push mower too. I'm gonna do those blades on there. It's a dual. It's a mulching blade setup because that blade, as I know, those blades been done. I just don't use it as often, but lately with these leaf jobs, it does such a good damn job on those backyards. I can't really complain. Ouch. Okay, yep. So, it wasn't an 11/16. It's strictly a 14 millimeter for the mower. Like I said, it's a 2-blade system for the Honda. What I do, I just push this back in here. Enough to catch a few threads and stay in place. Look at these blades, people. Oh, they're not, yeah, they weren't that bad. Bad enough though. I've seen worse. Yeah, I've seen worse. So I'll push it back up in here. Do a little thread. All right. This is a must, people. The job is much easier when your blades are fresh. These blades are no longer, they're not bad, but they're not sharp either. And I need them to be sharp. See, check them out. Yeah. They do good for what they do though, I tell you that much. Not bad though, not as beat up as I thought they would be. This was more beat up than the rest of them because yeah, it is what it is. All right, be right back at you. All right, right now we're down in my office slash RC shop, and I want to go over this. This is my blade setups, my blade sharpening stand. Everything is from Harbor Freight. I think everything cost about a total of maybe $120 total after taxes. That's including the price of the grinder. So we're going to get into that. This is the box that came in. This is so basically the main part of it. This is the bench top grinder stand, and it holds up to 100 pounds and real sturdy enough for me to vise down the blades and sharpen them, and the stand still doesn't move. So I kept this just for you all. So basically, get this item number 03184. It's like, if I'm not mistaken, it's like 30 bucks. Then I've been had this. I use this. This is called a bench top vise. It's a drill press vise that you put for your drill presses. I got a drill press over here. My shop has I have grinders, drill press. You can't see it, of course. Grinders, drill press. I have man, what is that called? A press. I mean, I got everything. It's a lot of RC stuff down here. I have a different channel for that, but we'll get into that another time. I'm pretty much on business, standing on business. So this is a drill press vise. If I'm not mistaken, this is $20. So far we're up to $50 with this alone. So this may be, I don't remember the price. This might be $39, but I'm thinking $29. So we're gonna quote it for the high. We're just gonna say 40 bucks for the actual stand. Say 20 for this. So we're sitting at 60 bucks so far for the drill press vise. It's called a 4-inch drill press vise. They got them all day long. Then I also picked up a 8 amp BAUER 1100 RPM angle grinder, 4.5 inch. And this, if I'm not mistaken, this was like $36 or something like that. $34.99, $36.99. Wasn't bad at all. And it's real nice. I was going to get a cordless one, but I said, it doesn't matter. I got extension cords. Why spend a whole another 80 bucks? So far we were at 60. That's $94 for pretty much the whole set of $94. Then I also have you must use this. This is the blade. This is a balancer, so you can make sure your blades are balanced. And I'm using the 80 grit disc. 80 grit disc, also from them. It's like $3.99 for the disc. Can't go wrong. So we're going to hook up the grinder. I also have my shop vac down here. You probably can't see it because in the house, metal creates a dust and it flies everywhere. So basically, when I'm about to run this, I'm gonna also run this, and it's going to catch all the dust as it comes out. So you got to put that ingenuity into it when you're doing something on your own for setup purposes. Like I said, it's an 80 grit disc. So I have 5 blades I'm about to sharpen. And my process is basically, I do the same amount of passes on each side, and then I come up under the bottom one time to get the burrs out. Everybody knows the scope. I got it from YouTube, just like everybody else. Like I said, YouTube has been I've been dealing with YouTube for maybe 15 years, and I've been learning stuff from YouTube. It's a good tool for DIY type people. So let's get to it. I have the grinder hooked up. We're going to start with the Mower blades first. So this is the Mower blades. This is the, I believe, the top. Put it in here, and you just basically, I send it all the way over, torque it down. Boom. And this is your angle you're going to have to deal with. Move this back a little bit. And Gonna now make sure the equal amount of pads. All right, people, that's razor sharp. Now I'm gonna flip it around, but I'm gonna show you on camera first the difference. And no dust. As you see my setup, all the dust is being caught right here. But look at that. This is how it looked before, dull. Now, razor sharp, people. Can't see it, I don't know if you can see all that, but that's nice. And that's 15 passes. I did 10 first, then deburred it to check it out, and now I did 5 more, and I got it to the sharpness I wanted. Before, that's how it looks. After. That's what I mean. Razor sharp. I'm gonna do this other side, then I'm gonna test the balance. The reason why, you know, if I didn't have this, it'd be dust over everything, I swear. So that's why I make sure I turn the shop back on as soon as I get started. Same amount of passes, same sharpness. Now I'm gonna see how balanced it is. I'm gonna do that down at the bottom down here. So I don't know if you can see down here, but check and see how balanced it is. Man, people, it's balanced. I gotta mess with this one at all. Yeah. Yep, not gonna mess with it at all. One blade down. More to go. this is my setup. It has a table down here to hold everything. I keep cut off wheels, extra grinding disc, everything. I have 2 balancers. And of course the tool. So like I said, this is Elite Cuts Lawn Care. This is how I sharpen my blades. And in order for you to, I used to pay the hardware store $7 a blade. I haven't seen them in a while, but in order for you to, and it was good. The hardware store, they had a one day turnaround, but now whenever I need to sharpen my blades, I get to it. But I keep extras, like I only have 1 set of ripper blades, and I'm gonna invest in another set coming next year, probably next season, or might be next week. This is a set of X-Mark blades that are not done, but this is a set that are sharp. So, like I said, I keep them on deck. Once again, for 40, say, let's just say 39, so 40, 20, that's 60 plus another 36. You're looking like 106 after about 110 bucks, $115 after taxes. You got a sturdy stand that does not move. As you've never once seen me hold this stand. It's not like people. This stand is heavy. With the vise on top of this stand and the actual stand itself, we're talking about some straight weight. So it's probably about, give or take, maybe 70, 80 pounds. So it's not moving because you're sharpening it. And use the shop vac, do this inside without, you won't have any problems with dust and that metal. As it's just, you're sanding it, it's dusting around. It's not all the way 100%, but it's enough not to have dust everywhere. Once again, it's Elite Cuts Lawn Care.